places in my life and time. I've sung a lot of songs, and I made some bad rhymes. I've acted out my life in stages, 10,000 people watching, yeah. We're alone now, and I'm singing this song to you. I love you in a place, oh, there's no space or time. I love you from my life. You're a friend of mine. But when my life is over, song to you. And I'm singing a song to you.
Congratulations. It's the toughest job I've ever had and the most rewarding job I've ever had.
Climb every mountain and swim every ocean just to be with you.
Life moments come and go. Take your shot or you'll never know. Your heart will tell you when it's time to move. Ask yourself what you got to lose. When it storms, when it rains, it falls on all of us the same. But after today, the world's gonna know my name. Everybody backstage, please don't be scared. Cause up close, Simon looks just like a teddy bear. A couple steps up off the stage, watch how far that I go. And I'ma feed my fam with this, and that's no bullshit, Chicago. Backtrack, put the competition in my backpack. I'm trying to be incredible, like my birth name was Jack Jack. And now I'm standing on this stage here at AGT. Dreams do come true, and you can take it from me. Just one man who has drive, determination in my eyes. If they don't say that I worked hard for this, trust me, they lied. Make the crowd say, oh yeah, knock it out like they lie. I'm all about pushing the limits, not about pushing papers. Do you? Feel me. America, can you hear me? This young man's out here chasing dreams, I hope you see that clearly. My entire future, man, I put it on the line. Hey, so I gotta make it now before I'm out of time. In life, moments come and go. Take a shot or you'll never know. Your heart will tell you when it's time to move. Ask yourself what you got to lose. When it storms, when it rains, it falls on all of us the same. But after today, the world's gonna know my name.
She is a messy, but she's calm. She is lonely most of the time. She's all of this mixed up and baked in a beautiful pie. She's gone, but she used to be mine. You're not what I asked for. If I'm honest, I know I would give it all back for a chance to start over and rewrite an ending or two for that girl that I knew and be scared of the light that's inside her, growing stronger each day. So if I'm the reminds her to fight just a little to bring back the fire in her eyes that's been gone, used to be mine. Oh, used to be mine. She's gone, but she used to be
And when you're broken on the ground,